Hello children, today we will start this discussion from the heading haloform reaction. Page number 10.41 haloform reaction. Okay children, so what are these haloform reactions? Okay, haloform reactions are the reactions through which we prepare haloforms. Okay children, so simply preparation reactions of haloforms are known as haloform reaction. Okay children, now what are these haloforms? So trihalides of methane. Trihalides of methane are known as haloform, and the haloforms are CHCl3, which is known as chloroform, CHI3 iodoform, and CHBr3 bromoform. Okay, so bromoform, tribromomethane, iodoform, triiodomethane, and chloroform, trichloromethane. So these all three trihalogen compounds of methane are collectively known as haloforms, and preparation reaction of haloform is known as haloform reaction. Okay, so these haloforms can be prepared by the compounds which are having COCH3 group. Okay, which are having this group, methyl ketonic group, or the compounds which can produce this group in between the reaction due to oxidation. Okay children, so the compounds which are having this methyl ketonic group are giving haloform reaction, and also the compounds which can produce this group in between the reaction due to the oxidation. Okay children, or simply you can say that the compounds which will have this group will also give haloform reaction. Okay, so this is secondary alcoholic group. So the compounds which are having this group will convert in this group due to oxidation. Okay, and after that they will form haloform. Okay children, so haloform reactions are used for the presence of this group or this group. Okay children, so the compounds which containing this group or can produce this group due to the oxidation of this group are used for the preparation of haloforms, and this haloform reaction is used to prove the presence of this group. Okay children, so the haloform reaction through which we prepare a chloroform is known as chloroform reaction. Through which we prepare bromoform is known as bromoform reaction, and through which we prepare iodoform is known as iodoform reaction. Okay, this iodoform is a yellow crystalline substance. Iodoform is a yellow crystalline substance with a specific pleasing odor. Okay, so this iodoform formation through with the help of iodoform formation we can prove the presence of these groups. Okay children, because this iodoform is having a specific order with a specific crystalline structure, so that is why we use preparation reaction of iodoform for the presence of these groups. Okay children, so the haloform reaction in which we prove the presence of this group through the formation of iodoform is known as iodoform reaction. Okay children, so overall you can say that to prove the presence of methyl ketonic group we use iodoform reaction. Okay, and this iodoform preparation reaction is also same reaction as in a chloroform. Okay, so iodoform can be formed with the help of iodine and sodium hydroxide. Okay, so iodoform is formed. Okay, children. So the compounds, as you can see here, that when chlorine, bromine or iodine is react with sodium hydroxide or sodium carbonate, haloforms are formed, and these are the haloforms. Okay, when a suitable compound is heated with iodine and sodium hydroxide or iodine and sodium carbonate, yellow PPT of iodoform is obtained. So haloform reaction is given by ethanol and those alcohols which have OH group at C2 carbon, means secondary alcohol. Haloform reaction is also given by compounds which are having CH3CHO group, CH3CO group, like ethanol, and ketones like acetone. Okay, so such compounds give haloform reaction, and in this haloform iodoform reaction. Okay, so iodoform test may be used to distinguish the following compounds. Okay, so the compounds alcohol, aldehyde or ketones which are having CH3CO group or which can form this group in between the reaction will give iodoform reaction. Okay, children. So in this way we can distinguish compounds having this group with the compounds of other group. Okay, so the first here it is given, we can distinguish methanol and ethanol. Okay, so out of methanol and ethanol, only ethanol will give iodoform reaction. Okay, children. So why ethanol will give iodoform reaction? Because ethanol will oxidize with iodine in the form of ethanol. Okay, ethanol, and due to the presence of this methyl ketonic group in ethanol, ethanol will give iodoform reaction or iodoform test in which iodoform will form. Okay, here in propanol and propane 2-ol, this propane 2-ol will give iodoform reaction because propane 2-ol will oxidize in the form of propane 2-one. Okay, propane 2-one in this way, propane 2-one. So this propane 2-one is having this group here, so this propane 2-one will also give iodoform reaction, but this alcohol will not give. Okay, because it will oxidize in the form of propanol, C2H5COH. So this C2H5COH is not having CH3CO group. Okay, so that is why this will not give iodoform reaction. Now next example is 2-pentanone and 3-pentanone. So 2-pentanone, if you write the structure of 2-pentanone, so 1, this is 2-pentanone with CH3CO group. It is having CH3CO group, and 2-pentanone, one more carbon should be there. This is 2-pentanone, and 3-pentanone. 3-pentanone is CH3, CH2, CO, CH2, CH3. This is 3-pentanone. So this 3-pentanone is having this group here. Okay, this is not methyl ketonic group. Methyl ketonic group should be CH3CO only. Okay, so pentane 2-one is having CH3CO group. This will give iodoform reaction, and this will not give iodoform reaction. Okay, children. Next example, fourth, CH3CHO and CH3CH2O. So this first one will give iodoform reaction, and this will not give iodoform reaction. Okay, children. So iodoform reaction, the preparation reaction of iodoform, ethanol with iodine and sodium hydroxide will form iodoform. propane 2-ol will first oxidize in the form of propane 2-one, and then this propane 2-one will form iodoform, as we have studied already in the case of chloroform. Okay, so iodoform will form this sodium ethanoate, sodium iodide and water molecules. Ethanol will also form iodoform. Acetone iodoform. Butane 2-one, due to the presence of this CH3CO group, will form iodoform and will give iodoform a reaction. This is iodoform. Okay children, so this is the iodoform reaction, with the help of which we can distinguish compound having CH3CO group with the other compounds which are not having CH3CO group. Okay children, so it is a very important reaction, and this reaction we will again discuss in the chapter aldehyde and ketone. Okay children, so in our next lecture we will start with the exercise of this chapter. Okay, thank you.